she really has something to say. Huh? Llama! It's a party here! Yes! Hello! Welcome back! Llama Bean! Llama! Oh, Fluff Bean! Oh, Llama Bean! Where's my crazy little llamas at today? Let's go find Llama Bean and Fluff Bean. I just saw them around here somewhere. Llama! Llama Bean, Fluff Bean. Wow! What are you crazy llamas doing right now? It looks like they're baking something. Guys, come on over here. Let's see. Oh, llamas. What are you baking today? And why are you baking right now? Because I'm just a little bit confused. You didn't tell me that you crazy little llamas would be baking. Oh, Llama Bean. Oh, Fluff Bean, you're baking a cookie. Why just one singular cookie? Let's check this out. Wow. What is that? That looks like an Oreo. Llamas, why are you baking an Oreo? That is so strange. Like, who just cooks an Oreo? Come here, llamas. Llama Bean, Fluff Bean, I really have to ask you, why are you baking one Oreo right now? Like, why just one Oreo? Oh, Fluff. Oh, Lamb. Oh, they said it's for me. Llamas, you baked me an Oreo? You know what, guys? That means something. That means these crazy little llamas want something. Because they just don't do something without wanting something. What do llamas want? You don't want anything. What's that, Fluff? You want me to try the Oreo? Okay, Fluff Bean. I'm a little suspicious. Fluff Bean, did you do something to this Oreo? Because like usually like when the llamas bake cookies, they make a ton of cookies, but they just made one. Was it Llama Bean? It's specially for me. Smells the same, but the thing I'm really questioning is why are you baking an Oreo? It seems like you guys just put this Oreo in the oven and said you baked it, because I don't think like they can just bake Oreos on the spot, you know? Like, I think they just took this from the package and literally just shoved it in the oven. Okay, llamas, they said that they made this from scratch. It literally says Oreo on it. Okay, I'm just gonna taste it. That's pretty good. Good job, Llama Bean, Fluff Bean. Good job, llamas, that's tasty. Is there something you wanna tell me right now, though? You have that look on their face. Like, just look at Llama Bean's face. It looks like she really has something to say. Here, Llama Bean, let me get close to you so you can whisper it in my ear. Don't be scared. You can tell me anything. Llama! Oh, Llama Bean. Guys, Llama Bean just told me that she took my credit card, her and little Fluff Bean. They took it and they bought $300 worth of toys off of Amazon. Oh, Llama Bean and Fluff Bean. That is so crazy. You know what I think about stealing my credit card. That's a big no-no. That is not good, llamas. What's that, Lamb? What's that, Fluff? You said that you're hoping that I would forgive you because you made me an Oreo and that everything's gonna be okay. Oh, llamas. You know what, Llama Bean, Fluff Bean? I guess it's all right because you two little llamas, that's so sweet of you for baking me an Oreo. It was really tasty. It was really good. But next time, Llama Bean, Fluff Bean, you have to ask me before you buy something with my card, okay? It's okay now, but I'm just wondering, where is the boxes full of toys? Oh, you bought 20 fidgets off of Amazon? Oh my gosh, where's the box, llamas? You gotta tell me right now. It just came in? Fluff, you already opened the box. But then Llama Bean stopped you because you guys wanted me to see for the first time when you opened it. You didn't open any toys yet? Oh, Oh, the llamas just said they didn't open any of the toys yet because they wanted to surprise us. Wow, llamas, that is so nice. I'm actually really excited. I'm actually really excited for this because like, I haven't like opened up toys in a while and I'm like super excited because like, you never know like how it's gonna feel, these fidgets. So, come on, llamas. How about you show me where this box is at and then we can unbox all of these fidgets. That sounds like a lot of fun. Let's do this thing. Let's go sniff it out. Oh, I see it right there. This must be it. Guys, look at these two giant boxes. Crazy llamas. Oh heavy. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, this is so crazy. I did not wake up today thinking that I would unbox a bunch of fidgets, but here we are. You never know what we're gonna do on this channel. What is this? Oh yeah, it does look like Fluffbean opened it. Well, let's see what's inside here. My goodness. Oh, Llama! It's okay. I got you, Llama. Don't worry. I'm always here to catch you, okay, Llama Bean? All right, let's pour out this box too. Wow. Guys, this is a lot of toys. So we just organized all of the fidgets. I don't even know where to start because there's just so many things here, so many colors, so many textures. I don't know. Llama Bean, what do you think? What should we start with? Oh, you think Fluff should decide? That is so nice, Llama Bean. Guys, always be kind. What's that, Fluff? Where do you want to start? You want to start with that peanut butter. Now that makes sense because Fluffbean loves food. Okay, let's see. So here we have, it's called Yummers Peanut Butter Whipped Slime. Check it out. It says, oh, that's funny. The serving size is Total Fun 100%. It's scented and it's smushy goodness and twisty and stretchy and sticky tacky-tastic. It's not a gum and do not eat it. So Fluffbean, you got that? You cannot eat this. Fluff. Oh, Fluff. Fluffbean, if I open this right now, you cannot eat it because it's not real peanut butters. If you want real peanut butters, I can get you some peanut butters, okay? Okay, Fluff. Just contain yourself, Fluffbean. All right, here we go. I'm a little scared. Oh, there's a wrapper. I wonder what it's gonna smell like. If you guys know, the llamas have extremely sensitive noses, so they can sniff out anything. This will probably be super strong to them. Oh my gosh, it literally smells like peanut butter. Smell it. Doesn't it? Llama, what do you think? Llama says it makes her want lettuce. Oh, Llama Bean. Llama Bean just loves lettuce so much. Okay, let's take this out. Oh my gosh, that is a weird consistency. I am not used to this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, guys. Oh, Fluff. Oh, I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this one. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know. Have you ever had anything like this? Leave a comment down below. I didn't even know they made stuff like this. Look at that. That is so crazy. It's just like moist, slimy peanut butter. You know what? If you put this on a slice of bread right now, I would actually think it's peanut butter. Like, it legitimately looks like peanut butter. Look at that. It's like it looks like a peanut butter. That is so nice. All right, Fluff. You did so good not eating this. I was so worried Fluffbean was gonna try to eat it. But I rate this from 1 to 10. That's a solid 9 toy. Solid 9. Let's be rating all of these toys. Just the consistency. It's a very nice, you know, feeling, very crazy. Here, Llama, why don't you touch it? Oh, I know, Llama. I know. Llama Bean says it just feels like slime. It does. All right, Fluff, you go ahead. Oh, Fluff like it. All right, Fluff, just don't eat it, okay? All right, Fluff, let's move on to the next toy. Fluff. Like, can you see Fluff's little, like, paw imprint? All right, moving right along. Dang it, that was a good one. All right, Llama, what do you think we should do next? You want to open up the llama? Guys, look how cute this is. What made you want to order this one, Llama Bean? I'm just so curious. You love llamas? I would have never known that. Crazy llama. Okay. Aww. Wow, look how squishy that is, guys. Look. That is so stress relieving. Fluffbean, if you ever get extremely stressed out about something, just touch this, squeeze it. See, Fluff? That is so nice. That's so cute. We should come up with a name for this little llama, okay? I rate this one another 9. It's a really good one. Moving right along. All right, Fluff, what do you think we should do next? This box. Oh, so right here we have, it says 2 sensory fidget stars, monkey fidget stars. Twinkle, twinkle, fidget star. That is so fancy. If you guys know, the llamas love fancy things. Look, the llamas are so excited right now, they can't even blink. Let's see what this is. Whoa, okay, I'm about this. Wow. Look at that. That is so satisfactory, you guys. Super satisfactory. Wow, Llama Bean, Fluff Bean, here, why don't you try? Isn't that so nice, Llama Bean? It's like this, like, I don't know how they make this. Wow, these toys are so cool. It makes me want to buy a lot more. All right, I rate this an 8. Pretty good, pretty good. I think it would be better if it was a bunch of pink colors. We love pink. Pink is our favorite colors. All right, now I'm gonna choose one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, what's this? It's a squeeze toy. Squeeze me and watch my eyes pop. Relieve stress. That is so nice. Let's relieve some stress, shall we? Oh, this is creepy. Look at that, guys. Oh, okay. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Llama, it's okay. Llama Bean started crying. Llama, it's just a toy. It's fake. Okay, no need to stress out. Just look. Oh, Llama. Oh, Llama, it's okay. Fluffy, what do you think of this? Fluffy says she really likes it. Oh, Fluff. Guys, look at this. This is pretty stress relieving. Although it's really creepy. Like, I would never want to do this at night before bed. Guys, I get really scared before bed just looking at creepy things. I can't do that. This is not something I'm gonna do before bed. Nope. That's a daytime activity. Moving right along. Okay, Fluff Bean, why don't you pick another one? Use your sensitive nose, Fluff. Oh, good one, Fluff. This one seems really heavy. Oh, this is very dense. This is gonna be a good one. Feels like Christmas right now. It's like the llamas were Santa Claus ordering all this stuff. What the heck, llamas? Guys, look at that. It's a piece of poop. Oh my gosh, it's called the mushy poopster. Oh, squeezing that. Guys, let's just look at this. This actually looks like poop. No. That is so weird. All right, llamas. Oh, look, it's a carrot. Fluff Bean, did you order this one? Fluff Bean loves food. Is that Fluff? You didn't. You ordered the peanut butter? Llama ordered this one? Oh, that does make sense because Llama Bean's super healthy. Oh, it's another consistency of the poop. Like, my question is, why would they put a piece of poop with a carrot? I don't know, but it's kind of cool though. Like, this is extremely stress relieving too. It's pretty long. All right, llamas. Here, Llama Bean, you try it. Oh, isn't that good? Yeah, that's a nice one, Llama Bean. What do you rate it, Llama? A 6? She said she wishes it was lettuce. Llama Bean, you just wish everything was lettuce, don't you? Okay, Fluff, how about you try this one? This one is a squishy banana. We can open it. Never give up. Oh yeah. Look at that. All right, Fluff, you try it. Oh yeah, that's nice. You know what, I rate these probably a 7. It's just a weird combination here. The texture is all right. It's pretty stress relieving, but not the most stress relieving. The most stress relieving is probably this one. This one's pretty good. Moving right along. Llama Bean, why don't you pick out one for us, okay? Oh, Llama Bean, what is this one? Let's see. Ooh, I love these colors. These colors are super nice. It has a pink, blue, a mint green color. All right, let's see what these do. Does not come with instructions, so we just kind of have to play around with it. Oh my gosh, look. Fluff, look. Llama, adorable. I love this. I could do this all day. Like, I think I'm just gonna go around the house and just... This is so fun. Extremely stress relieving, super fun fidget. I like this one. Fluff Bean, do you like it? Did you get that? Fluff loves it. All right, Fluff Bean, why don't you rate it for us? Oh, Fluff Bean said 7.7. That is so Pacific, Fluff. All right, I rate this one probably 9.5. It's one of my favorites, honestly. Let's do another one. I think we're gonna do this one. I'm really curious about this one. This one is a cowberry, and it looks like caterpillars. Oh, that is interesting. Guys, check this out. Ooh, there's a lot of these. Oh, a lot of different colors. Llamas. Oh, I like this one. This one's neat. It's a lot of worms. Wow. Yeah, this one, it kind of reminds me of this one right here, this fidget. Like, it has the same type of, like, you know, consistency, except it moves different. But it really just feels nice, like the same satisfactory right here. Here, Llama Bean, why don't you try it? Oh yeah, good llama. Good llama. These are great. I rate this one an 8. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, next. Ooh, what's this? Color changing putty? Okay, all right, I'm about this one. I am about this. Let's see. Okay, hopefully I don't break a nail. Ugh. Never give up. Oh, there comes with a lot. Ooh, which one should we start with? It says color changing fudge putty. Fudge, like fudge? Fluff, did you hear that, fudge? No, it's not fudge. Okay, do not eat this, Fluff. Do not eat any of these toys, okay? I know I hear your tummy growling, Fluff. Did you guys hear that? All right, let's see. Let's start with this one. This one's a purple. I'm so curious how long it takes to change color. And how do you even do this? Does it just change when you touch it? That would be really cool. I would be so satisfied. Let's see. I don't see anything yet. I'll see it when No. I'll believe it when I see it. Right, Llama? Keep your eyes peeled, Llama, for changing colors. Okay, let's have Llama Bean do this. Why don't you look for us, Lamb? Oh, Llama says she sees it changing a little bit. She says it's getting lighter. Yeah, I kind of see it. That's kind of cool. It's kind of like a hand workout, honestly. It's really getting my hand working. How long do you have to do this? I think it did change color. Did it just get lighter, or is that just me? I think it did. Let's try one more and see. Let's do this pink one. Oh no, this one's orange. Oop, it looked like pink, but it's orange, or like a peach. Let's say this is peach. Let's see. I don't see anything yet. Was this a fat scam? Oh, I don't like today. Actually, I do like today. It's a pretty good day. Me and my llama's just hanging out, unboxing some toys. Whew. Honestly, guys, I do not see the color changing. However, it is a really nice consistency. I really like to do that like this. Like, it's pretty nice. Right, llamas? Fluff Bean, what would you rate this one? She said an 8. How about you, Llama? 9. Oh, Llama loves this. Okay. You know what, guys? I did not see the color change, but that's okay. We will play with this one later, and then we will update you guys if it does change. Moving right along. Which one do we do next? Lamb! Why don't you pick one out? Okay, Lamb, let's see what this, oh, Llama don't pass out. Llama being so excited, she almost passed out. So typical. So right now, we have the fidget roulette, the wisdom of the universe in the palm of your hand. Is this like a game? I'm about it. I love games. Is that right, Fluff? Yeah. Okay. What the? Oh, it's a keychain. You can keep this on your keys. All right, let's see. So like, where's the directions? Because I don't understand. Oh, it's right here. It's a fortune teller. Ask it a question, spin the wheel, and stop it to get an answer. It's as simple as that. Oh, Fluffy, why don't you think of a question to ask it, okay? All right, Fluff, what is it? Oh, Fluffy. Fluffy said that she wants to ask it after this unboxing video if we will go to Chick-fil-A and order 500 milkshakes. Fluffy, that is so crazy. Yeah, right, let's see. Let's spin it. Go ahead, Fluff, spin it. Give it a bigger spin, Fluff. All right, what does it say? Just do it. Oh my gosh, does that mean we have to go do it? All right, guys. Oh, Fluff, you must be so excited on the inside. 500 milkshakes. All right, let me try it. What should I ask it? Llama, what do you think? We should go order 787 heads of lettuce after this. Oh, Llama Bean. Okay, go ahead, give it a spin. I say no. Oh, Llama, it's okay. It's okay, Llama. Was that Fluff? You said you'll share some of your milkshakes. Oh, Fluff, yeah. I guess we're just gonna have to go order 500 milkshakes after this. Llama, it's gonna be okay. I'll get you some lettuce, all right? Let's see what's next. What is this? Nutty toys. Ooh, guys, look. Okay, that is pretty neat. Look at this. It's like a magnetic like fidget thing for your finger. Ooh. Llamas, why don't you try this out? Here, Llama Bean, you try it. Llama Bean says that she really wanted to try this. Try again, Llama. Oh, good, Llama. What do you think, Llama Bean? She said it's really making her feel better about the fact that she can't get any lettuces. Llama Bean, I said I'd get you lettuce, okay? Don't listen to that thing. This thing is a scam. It's just a toy. Was that Fluff? It's not a scam because we're getting a ton of milkshakes. Okay, Fluff. All right, I rate this one probably like a 6. I wish it was more like stronger and like more magnetic-y, if that's a word. All right, what is next? Bananas. Let me guess. Llama Bean ordered this because Llama's a healthy one. Right, Llama? Oh yeah, she said she did. Let's see. This legitimately looks like real bananas. Look at this. Wow. It's like, this reminds me of like the Mario Kart, you know, when they toss the banana and then you slip and then you're losing and then you're in 8th place and then you're really like irritations and you're like, dang it, I don't like today. That happens to me all the time. Like I play Mario Kart with Llama Bean and Fluff. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not the best at it. And I always slip on the banana because little Fluff Bean is always tossing them. Fluff Bean's really good at Mario Kart. All right, Fluff, why don't you give it a touch? Yeah, that's what Fluff Bean be doing all the time, throwing those bananas. Crazy Fluff! These are really cool though. That feels super nice, look at that. A really nice one. Okay, I will rate this, honestly, a 9.5, one of my favorites. The smell though, not that good of a smell. I would rate it a 10. Okay, what is this? This one's super dense. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, I'm really excited. This is so fun. Are you guys enjoying this? I know the llamas are. Oh, what the heck? Oh, wow. What is this? I really like this color. Just check it out. Oops. Oh, that is so nice. It's like a little like hand fidget thing. That is really nice. It's such a nice feeling. Here, Llama, why don't you give it a go? Llama says it's super great. How about you, Fluff? Llama, is It's okay, don't pass out. Llama Bean's been wanting to pass out all day. Here, Fluff. No, Fluff, it's not food. Oh, Fluff Bean. Fluff Bean must be really hungry. Her mouth, it's drooling right now. She's thinking about those milkshakes. Okay, that was really cool. I like this. I'm rating this one. 8.8. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, what is next? All right, llamas. It looks like we have a few things left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 more boxes. So let's do this thing. I think we should do this one next. I really have been eyeing this one. It says sensory fidget stretchy strings. Ooh, strings. Okay, these look really awesome. Come on. Okay, I think we got all of them. Ooh, these feel amazing. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Here, Llama Bean, why don't you give it a go? That's a good llama. All right, Fluff. Here you go, Fluff. Is that Fluff? You only want to touch the purple ones. Oh, Fluff Bean. Are you getting a new favorite color, Fluff? Okay, let's see. All right, here's the 2 purples. Oh, Fluff! Crazy Fluff! Okay. Yeah, these, they feel really cool. I like all the different textures. Look, we got this like one with a bunch of dots. This one is like a worm. It really reminds me like when you go fishing and it looks like one of those like fishing worms. I wonder if this could work, like if we could catch a fish off of this. This one's like, it reminds me of one of those like candy marshmallows, those marshmallow candy things that are like that. This one has sparkles in it. Super nice. This one, I don't know what this one reminds me of. Like a noodle. All right, this definitely 9, solid 9. Really nice one. Feels super great. Love it. Oh, look, we got some stress balls. Oh, I can't wait for this one. Those are some great colors. Yes! Oh, llamas, you're gonna love this one. You are gonna love, oh, they smell. Oh, llamas, close your nose. These are really smelly llamas, but they feel great. Oh, wow, I like these colors. Look at it. Look at that. Really nice to squeeze. These are really good. Oh, wow, it's like you squeeze it and then like you see like white. That is interesting. All right, Fluff Bean, here you go. Purple. Go ahead, Fluff, try it. Isn't that great, Fluff? These are so cool. Here, Llama Bean. Here's the pink one. These are really cool. The only thing I would change is the smell, but really nice. I rate it a 7. Pretty good. Wow, we have so many toys. We could be distracted for hours with all of this stuff. Okay, we have 2 boxes left. Let's do this one. Is that okay, Llama? All right. Let's see this one. This one says fidget toy set. So it's a whole set. I wonder how many more we're gonna have. All right, llamas, here we go. Ooh, look. It's a butterfly poppet. What is this one? I'm so confused. It looks like an animal. Another one. Oh, look, it's a little like squished, like, I don't know what character that is, but that's really cool. What are these? Oh, Fluff, check it out. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I am overwhelmed. There's so many things. Guys, look. Like, what is this? Ooh, no way. It's like a poppet spinner. Okay, that looks really interesting. These are like, it looks like bracelets almost. We got this like ball thing. This, what in the world? Wow, we are definitely gonna be distracted all day today by looking at all this stuff. This one looks like a maze cube thing. Wow. Ooh, what is this? Oh, llamas. Llama, why don't you pick out something and then we'll open that one. What's that, Let's see what this is. Oh, guys, look. It looks like a sea urchin, almost from like Bikini Bottom. I really want to go to Bikini Bottom. So does Fluff Bean. It's okay, Fluff Bean. We're gonna go there one day, okay, Fluff? It looks like we could make like keychains out of this. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so cute. Llama, look. It's a little keychain. Oh, Llama loves it. Guys, look. Oh, Llama. Oh, don't pass out on me, Llama. Look how cool. That is so interesting. I didn't know they made these. That's so cool. No way. It's a mini spinner? Oh my gosh, look. That is so fancy. Ooh. What else is in here? Another, okay, I've never seen a spinner like this. There's so many things, guys. Oh, llamas, where do we even, ooh, I wanna do this one. This giant one, look at this one. And it comes with like the pop. Oh yeah, the llamas love these. Whew. Wow, and it comes with like this thing and these. Oh, llamas, this was a great decision. Normally I'm like, llamas, I'm not like supporting you taking my credit card, but this was a great decision. However, remember, you need to ask me before you do this again. Thanks for the Oreo though. That was a yummy Oreo. Okay, these are so cool. Oh, what is this? I have never seen anything like this. I think I want to go order some more stuff. Oh, but wait, we have one more box. Here it is. Ooh, you can see this. Okay, all right, that is awesome. That is so satisfactory. Okay, moving along. Oh, I'm excited about this one. I think I'm excited about every single one. Right, llamas? The llamas said that they knew that I would love this. They love it too. They still can't blink. Have you ever seen the llamas blink? Leave a comment down below, because I haven't. Like, they're always so excited. Ooh, look at all this stuff, guys. It's a party here. Oh, llamas. All right, let's dig in. Oh, llamas, slow down. Oh, llamas. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. No way, they have even bigger ones? Okay, I gotta get this open right now. Okay, let's try this. That is so nice. Talk about some stress relieving. I'm telling you guys, this has gotta be my favorite one out of all of them. Llama Bean, you have to try this. Like, I know you're gonna love this. Here, I'll help you. Isn't that great, Llama? All right. Fluff Bean, could you pick out your favorite one out of this batch? Oh, Fluff, slow down. Oh, what's this, Fluff? It looks like almost like a Rubik's Cube. Let's see. Wow, guys, look. All right, Fluff Bean, I'm going to mix up these colors and then you have to put it back and solve the cube, okay? All right, Fluff, you work on this, okay? Guys, look, it's a skateboard. It's this. Okay, this one looks really fun. I gotta squeeze it. Oh, listen to that. Oh my goodness, there's so many things. What is this? Well, I think we covered it all. Actually, no, we didn't. There's like I said, guys, how many came in this box? 82 packs? Wow. Llamas, how many came in this one? Doesn't say, but there was close to that same amount because, I mean, there was just a lot out of these boxes. Whew. Well, Llamas, I think it's time to go take a nap because the Llama Mama, I am really exhausted right now. Although these are really fun. I do want to stay up really late and play with this tonight, but I gotta take a quick nap to restore my energies. And Fluff Bean, you know, you have some milkshakes to eat too. But guys, let's just look out over all of this stuff again. Just check it out. So many things, guys. Look at that. Okay, Llama Bean, okay, Fluff Bean, I gotta say, it's been a really successful unboxing of all these fidgets. Like, my mind is going crazy right now. Like, this is so much fun. I gotta say, one of my favorite ones is definitely this. Llama Bean, will you tell us your favorite one? Oh, Llama loves this one. Okay, Llama Bean. How about you, Fluffy? Fluffy, what's your favorite one? Oh, Fluff. Oh, that makes sense. Fluff loves this fortune teller fidget. That is so cool. I know why you like it, Fluff, because you want all 500 of your milkshakes. But yeah, all of these fidgets, they were really satisfactory, especially this banana. This is so, it legit looks like a banana. I love it. Guys, we really want to know, me and Llama Bean and Fluffy, we really want to know, what is your favorite toy out of all of these? Have you ever used any of these? Leave a comment down below because we are super concerned. Guys, should we do another one of these? Do you like this type of stuff? If so, leave a comment down below. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Me, little Llama Bean, and Fluffy, we love you so much. Say bye, Llama. Bye. Say bye, Fluff. Bye.